Hi and welcome back to the channel. Come join me as we take a closer look and unbox this Camel Trophy Land Rover Discovery 1 by BM Creations. Before we unbox this one, I want to show you a different version of the Land Rover Discovery by BM Creations, or they are now called BMC, released a couple of months ago. The same model, this one, still haven't unboxed it yet. Same model, this one came in the silver one and the green one. I got both, but I can't find the other one, so here's the silver one. And we're going to unbox this one. This is the Camel Trophy version of it. Well, as I slowly unbox this, a couple of days ago I posted a community post in my YouTube channel asking which shall I unbox first, the Discovery one or the Range Rover version of it. Well, here's the Range Rover version, which I'm going to unbox. Well, as you look at the box, markings at the back, Land Rover is licensed by the Jaguar Land Rover Limited. Nice design of the box. There's the Land Rover logo, and it's a cutaway box. Doesn't come in a sleeve. You can see the package inside, so we'll now open it. Okay, so outside the box, here we go. Okay, first off, aside from the model, this one includes some accessories. We got old school sand ladders. This one are the metal ones, so period correct, they're good, not unlike the modern ones. These are the modern ones. Yes, also came from BM Creations. Okay, from the D-Max model. Okay, I don't know the proper term for this. You might want to help me out by writing it on the comment section below. Well, it's a period correct. Came with a bumper, some old school jerry cans, got 4 of them, and a couple of, I think these are more accessories. Still more accessories to it. Okay, we're going to open this small box, small plastic packet. We're in. Whoa! Included in them are small accessories. They got a shovel, an axe, a pickaxe, and some tires. Okay, this one are the stock tires that came from the stock Land Rover Discovery, which I shown earlier. Okay, they got a set, and this one got extra bigger tires. As you can see, this one is bigger. Okay, and got some screws, extra screws, so you could somehow lift the model up. Got some decals. We got the American flag, Chinese flag, Union Jack, Great Britain, and some worn stickers. Moving on to the car itself, all models from BM Creations come into this plastic protective packaging. So we're going to take this one out. Here we go. The Land Rover Discovery 1 Camel Trophy in 1/64 scale. Very good details from the outside. So let's take a closer look. On the side, the Discovery has a snorkel on it. I don't know if it's correct on the correct side. Haven't researched on that one yet. Up front, very detailed front bull bars with a bumper with a fog lamps on it and a winch roller. Okay, a winch fair lead roller. Okay, that's what they call it. Got the Camel Trophy markings on the side, Land Rover logo, and another Camel Trophy on the rear quarter panel window. And on the back is a spare tire and a rear ladder so you could access the roof rack. A detailed muffler, detailed exhaust system on the back, and nice wheels. The wheels are colored the same as the body. I don't know the proper term of this. It rolls smoothly. It's got rubber threaded tires, which I believe you could, well, if you're like me who doesn't want markings on the tires, you could easily put them backwards so the markings wouldn't stand out. Okay, as for the roof rack, I think it's a period correct roof rack with a high leaf jack, the red one. It's a farmer's jack, that's what they call it. Those metal railings, aka sand ladders, that they use if they happen to get stuck in mud or in sand. And those fog lamps on the roof rack, and the Camel Trophy, I think that's sort of like a license plate, but somehow BM Creations placed it not straight. I think that can be remedied. Aside from having impressive details, this 1/64 scale replica of the Camel Trophy Discovery also has opening doors, and we could see detailed interiors, right-hand drive, since this one is a British car. Too bad that it's colored black. Should have been better if they painted it a different color so the details would stand out. On the other side, also impressive details. So I'm going to leave it on the turntable for everyone to be impressed by this wonderful model from BM Creations. thank you for joining me as I unbox this one, and hope you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, maybe share this one, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.